Impressive, Marinette.
I really think it's super beautiful.
You all picked the wrong side to cheer on. Looks like Alex isn't even showing up. Probably too chicken to race an extreme athlete like me.
Spoke too soon, Kim. Your ridiculous bets are over. I'm gonna leave you in the dust, meathead.
You're no match for me. My neck is bigger than your thigh.
Is that a good thing?
Let's review the official rules. 2 laps around the fountains, approximately 500 yards. The first one over the line is declared the victor. If Kim triumphs, Alex will relinquish her rollerblades to him. If Alex triumphs, Kim will be prohibited from making another dare for the rest of the school year.
We're through with all of those stupid dares.
Uh-huh, that's right. No more dares.
On your marks, get set.
Hold up!
Forfeiting already?
Hold on to this for me, will ya, Alia? I don't want to drop it during the race.
Hold on, girl. I can't. I gotta...
Guard it with your life. It's a family heirloom.
But... Marinette, take this. I gotta record the race for my blog.
On your marks, get set, go!
But she asked you to look after it. I gotta hold up the banner.
Need any help?
Yep, thanks. Gotta be careful, even if you are amazing. At holding things in your hands.
Last lap.
Amazing at holding things.
Adrikins, what you got there? Some super old case or something?
Careful, it's Alex's.
If it's Alex's, it's probably worthless. Give it back to Adrien, Chloe.
I call a rematch. That false start back there threw me off.
Did you do this?
I had to videotape the race, so I gave it to Marinette, but then she had to hold the banner, so she gave it to Adrien. Then Chloe snatched it from him and dropped it, and, then you skated over it.
My old man gave me this for my birthday. This watch is totally a family heirloom.
It was an accident.
We didn't mean any harm, Alex.
As if. I totally had nothing to do with this.
You're all to blame.
You can't outrun me, Chloe!
Help!
Happy Valentine's Day, Chloe. Now you'll get what you deserve.
My hair! There is nothing worse in this world than a bad hair day. First, Ladybug wrinkles my new jacket. Second, you totally ruined my hair. Just go ahead and just change me already. This day can't get any worse.
I don't need to waste this arrow on you. Your heart is so dark and shriveled, there's no room for love.
How dare you talk to me like that? Ugh. Huh? Why are you just standing there? Help me up!
You think I'd help someone as stuck up as you? Wait till everyone gets a load of this.
No! No!
Don't worry, I'm not looking forward to it either. I can't believe I'm doing this.
How are you gonna fight both of us now, Bug Eyes? Cataclysm! I've often wondered what would happen if I used my Cataclysm on someone.
Lucky Charm! Huh? A candy apple? What am I supposed to do with this? Think, Ladybug.
got a Valentine's gift for you. Looks like you've got yourself in a sticky situation.
Ladybug!
And now for the pussycat.
Cat Noir, her Miraculous.
With pleasure. Finally, I'll find out who you are, Ladybug. Your little secret will be out of the bag. Huh? Well, what am I doing here?
No time. The quiver pin, Cat Noir. Now! Grab it! Grab the pin!
No! Sorry. Need that. Happy Valentine's Day.
Aw, you shouldn't have. Whoops.
Are you Mr. D'Argencourt, the fencing master? I want to join your team.
Only the best are admitted here, you knave.
And I was everywhere I went.
Pas de fair. This whippersnapper has nerve. All right, I may consider your admission. Shall you defeat one of my students?
Which one of you is the best combatant?
Adrien, please give our visitor a lesson in chivalry.
I shall, Master. Cool.
Cool.
It's gonna be
Great. There goes any chance I had of making the team. This guy's obviously better than everyone.
It's not over yet. He still has to beat Adrien.
En garde! Prêt! Allez! Simultané! Pas de touche!
Could have sworn Adrien touched him first.
Not sure. Anyway, you never question the referee's decision.
En garde! Prêt! Allez!
That was something.
Abstention!
What's happening?
Mr. D'Argencourt isn't sure who won, so he's chosen to abstain. This is a tight bout.
En garde!
Wait. I request that we do it the old-fashioned way. We'll be much more at ease without the machine.
Adrien?
fine with me.
But how will we know who touched the other one first?
By watching very closely.
En garde! Prêt! Allez!
Is this what fencing's all about?
Pas de fair! This is what fencing's all about.
Let's go check it out!
Is that all you can do?
The fateful moment has arrived! Let me through! Move!
Let's finish this off. Who got the first hit? Who?
Who touched first? Tell us now!
I don't know. I think it was Adrien?
Aha, wonderful! This victory is an honor to D'Argencourt Academy.
I'm sure he'll get the animals back in the zoo super fast.
Right, sir. They are the best. I wish I could be a superhero. The powers, the secrets, the costume. That would be awesome, right?
Yeah, sure.
How can I become one? You think there's some kind of superhero school or something? Or maybe more like some super secret training facility?
You want to know my secret?
Yeah, totally. I love this game. I have a serious crush on this boy, but he has no idea. That boy's clueless. Okay, now it's my turn.
I can stick my big toe inside my ear? Let's stop beating about the bush.
The movie! I totally forgot!
But we haven't finished yet.
I've really got to split. I asked Chloe to come, remember? The girl I told you about in my class? Next time, I promise!
Let's dance.
Hey, wait a sec! King Monkey loves to party too! Uproar! Eat this!
Seriously? What's going on?
Sorry, I just love disrupting others' powers.
Oh no!
Carapace, protect us!
Shelter! Ha!
Pegasus, teleport here and find something to play this.
Oh, pardon me, sir. I promise to return it after Paris is saved.
The only solution is to be so unpredictable that he can't read our dance steps. So, freak out!
What are you doing? It's nonsense!